friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Squirm from Dandy's World, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started by splitting our paper in half. We're going to step over, arching this line around and through towards the left for the top of the eye. And then we'll leave a gap right in the center, lining that up at the same height, and we'll just replicate that. Let's come underneath. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line to close off the eye on the bottom. Replicating that on the right. Moving in towards the middle, again, just curving this around and back up on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left. Now from here, let's just color in our eyes black. Let's come up now for the ears. So we're going to come up on a diagonal, and we're just going to curve this line out. And then we'll step across, again, lining that up at the same height, replicating that. Let's come underneath. We're going to curve this line up, down, around, and then we're going to tuck this all the way back in on the top of that line. And then we'll replicate that on the right as well. So tucking this up, back down, curving this all the way through, and then pulling that down on the very top. Let's close off the shape of the head. So let's draw in a curved line right in the middle. We're going to arch this down on the left-hand side, curving this around, and then we're going to tuck that in to the center. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, pulling this over and blending that back in the middle. Let's add in the details. From the center, we're going to curve this up towards each eye. And then we're going to imagine that this line follows through behind, curving this over. Now let's round this out. So from this edge, we're going to curve this around and down towards the bottom. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Let's draw in the mouth here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up, down, in towards the center. And now starting back in the middle, we're just going to replicate that. So curving this down, up, arching that back over again on the right. Coming into the cheeks. On the top beside the eye, let's draw in a small circle. We'll come down on a diagonal from this, closer to the eye, drawing in our second circle. And then again, moving across one more time, drawing in our third circle. Let's move underneath now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, and we're going to draw this coming in on a diagonal to the center. We'll replicate that on the right. So again, curving this out, pulling that back in, blending that together right in the center. Let's come down for the arm. So we're going to come down on this line. We're going to curve this out, bending that in at the elbow, tucking that in, and then we'll replicate that on the right, tucking this around and in. Now for the hand, we're just going to curve this out, tucking this back up and through, leaving a gap. Now let's round out the thumb. So coming up, we're going to arch this line around, tucking that back down. And then we're just going to curve this line over. Now from here on the side, we're going to arch this up towards the top. Let's come underneath. On the left, we're going to curve this line around and through to the center. And then we'll start back on this line, blending that in, curving this around, tucking that back up. We're going to replicate this one more time. So stepping in slightly on this line, curving this around and back through to the center. And then again, continuing to curve this up and through on the right. Now for the leg, we're just going to curve this over, tucking that in, replicating that on the right-hand side. And then coming underneath for the foot, just arching this over, flattening that out slightly, pulling that back up. And then the exact same thing over on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Squirm from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.